How to give someone access to Google Drive link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to give access to someone to your Google Drive, then open up your Google Drive and then go to the file that you want to share. And on the side, you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on it, and there tap on share. Now tap on share again, and then you can see under general access anyone with the link. So go ahead and tap on the drop down. So anyone with the link means anyone with the link will be able to view this file. Now if you want to give them editor access, then you'll have to go to the drop down beside viewer and then change the viewer to editor. Now the person will be able to make changes to your file as well if you do this. So you can just tap on copy link and send it to the person that you wish to send it, or you can just put in their Gmail address in the add people groups and calendar events, and then tap on done and then share it in your Gmail. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.